Hello, biology students. This is Mr. Brennan. I just want to do a quick overview of the Google Classroom so that you can be set up for success for the week. I want to just give you a sense of the sequence of events that you should be trying. Okay, so we'll go through a variety of things here, but basically, I just want to get the order in which you should be engaging with these different assignments. The first two things you should try are the link to the bio check-in survey. You see that marked as number one, and then you should begin the proposal writing with the diffusion simulator. Okay, now this is really just for block 8 because blocks 2, 3, and 7 did both of these things on Friday. So this is really just a note for block 8. Blocks 2, 3, and 7, you've begun this proposal writing, and I think have made some good progress with it, but you can let go of that for the moment and return to it a little bit later. As long as you've begun the proposal writing with the diffusion simulator, we spent one class period doing that. Okay, you can park that and then pick up with the bleach peroxide summative. Okay, so you'll want to open that up, and there's a video there for you to describe exactly what to do there. Okay, but you really want to focus on that. That's the big important work for the week. Okay, so make sure that you take your time with that. You develop all the right graphs that you're going to need to support your claim and so forth, and then get into the writing. Okay, so that would be step 3. And I think for blocks 2, 3, and 7, that's really where you're starting this week. Okay, so take your time with that. If you need more than one block to do it, that's fine. But then the sequence will pick up after that. Once you submit your bleach peroxide summative, okay, you can go back to the proposal writing, and if you need to, just finish up what's happening there. That might include uploading photos and so forth. Okay, but you'll want to come back to this and just finish it up. It's likely that you wouldn't have much to do there. So that would be step 4. Okay, is to finish that. And once you're finished the proposal writing with the diffusion simulator, okay, that gets you practice writing proposals. Then I'm going to send you to this exploring diffusion step 1. The implication there is that there'll be another step to take later, okay? And I'll tell you now that this will be a formative assignment, okay? A formative assignment that will lead into a summative a little bit down the road. Okay, so you're building your success for the next summative by jumping into that document, following the instructions there, and using the simulator to do to collect data and so on. Okay, so that's the sequence of events. Okay, 2, 3, and 7 are going to be starting with the bleach peroxide summative. Block 8 will start with the quick survey. That's really a 5-minute task, and then sometime writing proposals with the diffusion simulator before they get to the summative. Okay. Thanks very much. Please seek out support from classmates, from my substitute and so forth, and email me if you're really confused about what to do next. Okay, good luck with everything, and I'll see you soon.